What's up guys, we're at Killarney today and I'm finally riding. I'm always a guy running around filming random stuff, but today I'm riding. I don't know what to expect. I'm a little bit nervous, but I think it's gonna be good. Thanks to Mark Walden, he sponsored me the ticket, sponsored me the bike, so it's super sick. I really appreciate it. Feels like Christmas already, but I've got high expectations, high hopes. I think it's gonna be great. Thanks to my two cameramen. The first one is Ross, absolute legend, makes awesome action-packed bike videos. I'm gonna link that down below. And then the second cameraman is my brother, Tours and Captures. He makes super beautiful cinematic videos showing off Cape Town and what it has to offer. We have best of both worlds. We have action and we have absolute cinema, so it's gonna be great. I'll see you guys now.
So I packed the car and I was ready to go. I drove to track with my brother, my mother and my father. What a privilege it was to experience my first track day with them by my side. Now, I had to attend a few riding lessons which weren't ideal since I wanted to record and have a bunch of fun with my mates, but I do understand while I may be experienced in road riding, I'm not necessarily the best track rider, nor am I the most experienced. So I took it as it was, and I must say it was a privilege to learn from more experienced riders.
Nice to see you, bro.
It's nice to see you again. Got my new camera here and stuff as well.
Oh, lacquer, bro. You wanna show me?
Yeah, new Nikon. Don't trash on my Nikon.
You having fun, yeah, bro? You having fun? How's it? How's it? Nice to see you. Leaving me hanging, bro. Sorry, worst time.
How are you?
Good and you. Hello. I think I met you at the. Oh yeah, thanks.
I thought you were tracking today.
I am.
Where's your stuff?
It's over there. Unless it gets stolen, bro. It's over there by the bikes. I'm on the Ninja 300.
Oh, you're on the studio.
Yeah. I'm on the Ninja 300 over there.
Yeah, green one.
Next to Cara. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to it. Oh, Christoph. Any words of wisdom, bro? Any words of wisdom?
Enjoy the track day, guys. Just keep safe and come join us.
Come join us.
That should be good.
You must come join us. Yes, come join us. And don't crash. Don't crash.
You gotta touch wood now.
Exactly. Oh yeah, I have to. Finally show this guy's face on camera because he's not all anonymous anymore. Any words of wisdom? Any advice? Any words of wisdom?
Go fast, drag knee, drag elbow.
Yo.
Don't fall.
Exactly. I'm here with Ross. He's my other cameraman for today. Absolute legend. And I'm here with Shrey as well. What a legend. Giving me his boots to use. What a G. I'm gonna drag knee. Yo.
Drag knee.
Check. Fresh. Never used before. But today's the day.
We need to do elbow today. We need to one up the Clarence Warriors.
Yeah, we're gonna have to one up.
Warriors need to be.
We're gonna have to one up the Clarence Warriors, eh?
Like sitting in the corner.
Sitting in the corner just like that.
No knee pads left after today.
It's a whole new experience. I've never done this before, but I think it's going to be great. There's a lot of people here today because I think it's the last track day of the year.
So the fast group had gone, the medium group had gone, and now it was my turn. Just a quiet moment of gratitude and a lot of excitement. This was my first time on track. No traffic, no road, just the bike and a moment. So I put on my gear, I got ready, and I could just sense the excitement. The nerves were there, but overall I was really excited. I was looking forward to it and it was time. There was no backing out. So I looked around and I quickly realized that slow group is not a slow group. There was S1000s, R1s, CBRs, and a bunch of freaking sports bikes. But somehow this was the slow group. Anyway, it didn't matter. It was time to get onto track and off I went. Oh yeah, and just a quick heads up, the reason why I'm not dragging near the first corner and speeding around the track like Marc Marquez is because it was a yellow flag and we had to do 2 warm-up laps and then return to the pits before we could actually start our session. So I cut most of the footage up into little segments, mainly because none of us have the attention span to watch every single lap. Otherwise, I'd have to go and throw Minecraft parkour or some Subway Surfers footage just to keep you guys engaged. Anyway, enjoy the rest. So that was my first track day, and honestly, I'm just really grateful. I'm grateful for Mark sponsoring the bike, the ticket, my friends showing me the ropes and just helping me out wherever they could. I'm also grateful for how far I've come in riding. I'm not the best, I don't need to be, and I don't intend on being the best. This all started a long time ago at the track when I was about 6 or 7 years old. Because of that, more than anything, I'm just really grateful for my father. While I was out on the track, I didn't manage to get a clip of him in the pits, but some things never change. Here's some footage from my old GoPro, and this will pretty much show you what he was up to the whole time. Just talking to people, making best friends, and absolutely owning the place.